To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video, guys. Today EA has released the pre-Black Friday and this is the content they dropped. They actually dropped the best of Team of the Week players that are available until the December 1st, as we can see it on screen. And they also released the Flash SBCs that are just gonna come in and go out. The current one is available for 2 hours. I'm gonna check it later. They released the new icon SBCs. We got 3 new icons. They released also a very sick Delafeu Serie A League player objective. All in all, whoever was on stream, we didn't actually expect EA releasing something that is gonna shake up as much the market, so we hold onto our current investments that we had, and they are rising quite nicely, most of them. The only downtrend is that we had Valverde, which we lost a bit of coins on, and luckily mine got sold while on stream, and another sub of mine has told me that he also sold it for a higher value than he's going for right now. Now, a lot of you might be asking about the current best of Team of the Week cards, so that might be the first thing that we should cover right now, because these cards have been re-released. Behind my my camera right now, there's also Mane, who you can't see, but all of these cards have been re-released, and all of these cards will go to mad cheap values. We were looking at someone like Nainggolan, who has been in Team of the Week 9, and this is like, we could potentially look at him at the similar patterns on Kante and Mane, who were in Team of the Week 8 right now, which is equivalent to Team of the Week 9 at that time, which was re-released, and it just died in value. I think most of these cards will die in value as they go into the Team of the Year panic. We saw the lowest Team of the Year panic point is here. They're gonna have a few Dat Cat bounces. The Dat Cat bounce is a term in economics which explains that a card, whenever it touches a low point, it rebounds because people think it's gonna go up, but it just rebounds because it's the buying hype, and because of such oversupply, it's gonna be reprovided on the market. It's just gonna die in value. A better example was actually that we looked at Mertens Fubin 20. The Mertens card was even better because he was in, I do believe, since Team of the Week 1, and this is a card that also got reprovided in the best of Team of the Week. And look at here, he was like over a 500k valued price before Black Friday, and then this drop, and right before the Team of the Year market panic, he was at 130. Now, I do expect most of the Team of the Week cards to be very low tonight and slightly rebounding tomorrow, but is it really worth risking buying these cards right now with such supply and more content coming during Black Friday? This is the pre-Black Friday. EA is going to release something new tomorrow. Is definitely going to shake up the market a bit. I expect some of the SBCs. I don't expect potentially other cards or other promo cards or anything like that. It could happen, but what I do expect most likely is they're just going to bring out very good SBCs that can shake up any of the current supplied cards. Now, if you have the cards that, like we bought, the ones that are not supplied anymore, I do think you are quite good to hold them. After all of this is said and done, most of the people will rebuy cards, try and get them back in their teams, and they're going to raise the values. We're seeing mad rises already. If we just check someone like, for example, we looked at this card. I'm going to show it to you guys later because it's just a sick card that has been released with the objective right now. But someone like, for example, Gomez, who did not get into the best of not this one, because this Gomez got in and he's dying right now in value, and he's gonna go even lower. But the center back Gomez from Liverpool, he did not get in, and right now he's sitting at a 434k value. He was much lower earlier. Werner also went from 270 up to 320k right now. So these are very good bounces from the cards that did not get into the best of Team of the Week, which people expected that they would be in. The ones that got in that are suppliers is gonna die. These guys can be slightly even higher tomorrow, and I do think after the Black Friday period they're gonna be even higher. What I'm gonna do, for example, is I'm gonna wait for tomorrow potentially. If there's not content that would affect these past Team of the Week cards who are not supplied anymore, I'm gonna sell them because I do think more people are waiting for tomorrow to buy for their weekend leagues. There's also the qualification week of the weekend league, so the pros are going to be trying better cards in their teams and all. The ones that are in demand, the informs like Joao Felix, Llorente, and all of these that we still hold, I do think they can slightly push up a bit more tomorrow, and that's when I might take the profit and actually invest elsewhere. Now, a lot of you have asked me, where should you guys invest? Now, the one segment is the playable fodder cards. We saw Sana 85 close to the fodder. If you see it with the panic down to the fodder value, or the cards that you know that are playable and are at the fodder value, are safe buys. They're always safe buys. The second thing could be the fodder. Now, a lot of people are expecting the guaranteed team of the week tradable SBC to be out because we have the untradeable right now. If that one comes out, I do think most of, if that one doesn't come out tomorrow and it comes on Saturday like it did in the past years, I do think the 83 cards are a very good look. I feel like they're going to be panic sold, they're going to be supplied a lot tomorrow, and we will be able to profit them. I would just wait after 6 p.m. UK time. If there's no content like they did in the past years, I do predict most of these cards will rebound into Saturday because EA will bring it out. EA brought it out for the past 2 years. I can't see why they wouldn't bring out a tradable team of the week SBC, and what it did require was 2 informs and an 83 rated team. We covered that already in the past videos. If you haven't checked that one out yet, that doesn't matter. Like, it's still gonna potentially bring up the 83s even with the supply, just because of the best of team of the week. And we also checked that the best of team of the week can be packed. At least last year it could be, and this is out till December 1st. So for the full Black Friday period, if they bring out the guaranteed team of the week tradable SBC, I do think that most of these cards will jump up nicely on Saturday. But if they bring it out already tomorrow, I do think the supply will counter it a bit, and Saturday is going to be a bit higher either way. So you can also look at that segment of the card. Now, the other segment was the cards that are very low mid value, between 10 and 50k. I'm not showing it on screen. We looked at it on Twitch stream earlier. As always, guys, Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time. Make sure to be in my streams. We're doing very good coins right now. And basically, cards like Dembele, Lucas, and all of those that will be beaten in price tomorrow with the supply that EA is bringing up. Those cards will be very good buys as we go after the Black Friday period. They should rebound. People use them in their teams. They still buy them. There's a lack of right mids in game, for example. That's why I mentioned Lucas, or any other cards that you can go with that can bring you very good coins. Now, going back into the game, this is just a sick card EA has released. Like, if you check this in-game stats, I mean, this is just amazing. This is a full weekend league card that you can do right now. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely completing it. I have still 2 wins to get just Bellerin, and then I'm getting this card, which I think is one of the sickest Serie A left mids that it is out there right now, and it's a very good one. And that's why I think also Insigne could be affected. I have an Insigne in my team, but I play it as a striker, so I'm still gonna hold the inform. But I feel like any left mid right now is getting affected just because of that, if you're wondering. Of course, now going back into a very interesting thing is under the SBCs, which I like right now, and what EA is doing is that they are bringing the tradable packs. At least the first SBC is tradable. They're gonna bring these SBCs after they expire. So for the first 2 hours, potentially, this is gonna be the Flash SBC that is out. And you can see the pack is not untradable, so it's very good. The more tradable packs they bring, the more supply they bring, and the more cards that are supplied are gonna go down. The cards that are not supplied are gonna go up, just because people are generating coins with these packs usually. So whenever they're generating coins, they're gonna bring them up higher in value. And of course, yeah, in an hour and 16 minutes, we should get another SBC. So if you're keen to complete these SBCs, make sure to be on. EA is gonna bring one after the other as soon as they expire, as they did every Black Friday. Guys, I hope you're doing good profits right now. If you invested in the past team of the weeks, as I was talking in yesterday's video, you are potentially making good profits. They are slightly up. They're not as up as they were before. There wasn't any panic buying hype actually, but they're higher. They're much higher. Yesterday, for example, Felix was 120k. right now, if we just go and check it, as I suggested it on the video, that was like a very good rise. I even specifically mentioned for you guys to go maybe on Felix, and right now he's sitting at 143. He was under 120k, even 110 in the morning. And then we have also Lorenzo, for example, that you guys potentially got at 130. He was very cheap, under 140, not 130, actually 140. He's right now seeing 170, which is very good. It's making you good profits. I think they're gonna rise more into tomorrow. I wouldn't sell them yet. Be in the stream tomorrow, fellas. There's gonna be interesting stuff happening. There's a lot of stuff that we can do and make coins. I hope this helps you out. If you like the videos, drop that thumbs up, guys. It helps me to get it to a broader audience on YouTube, and I hope to see you. Have a good one. Cheers.